What's up, fam? This is your boy eljefe, and I'm back to talk to you guys about some in-ear monitors that just arrived that I'm super excited to talk to you guys about. So these are the Ikko OH1 in-ear monitors. Super comfortable, and the sound is freaking legit. So these run about $140 on Amazon right now. I'll be sure to leave a link to these in the description box right down below. Now, before we get started, and for full disclosure, Ikko reached out to me, sent out these in-ear monitors for my honest opinion and review. And if this is your first time here, this is how I do things. Whether the company sends me out the product or I buy it myself, I'm always going to keep it 100% real with you guys and let you know whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So with that said, let's jump right into it. Now, some of you guys may not be aware what in-ear monitors are, so they're far different from your standard in-ear, your earbuds. So they're offering you much better sound quality, usually a much more balanced sound. So they produce that normally by having multiple drivers, whether it's a single or dual. Normally it's like a balanced armature and one driver, something like that. This is what these are running. And the balance, the high quality sound, the fact that there's no loss in the frequency on these is, to me, 100% amazing. But to give you guys a little more description, I brought in a friend, my buddy Keith from Gamesky, and let me bring him in, let him talk to you guys about this.
What's up, guys? It's Gamesky here. First off, I want to thank Jeff for having me on. He saw that I reviewed the Ikko OH1s the other day and just asked if I would come on just to give my quick opinion. And to be honest, I absolutely love these things. I thought at first for $140 this might be a little steep for a no-name in-ear monitor, but to be honest, ever since I tried them, ever since I plugged them in, they sound incredible. That's plugging them into an iPad. It even made me go get the dongle for my Pixel 3 so that I can use these wired into the phone, and I haven't looked back. It's great across all genres of music, and a lot of that has to do with the dual drivers. It has a balance driver that's balancing out the mids and the highs, giving you a real clean sound, but then it has a separate driver that's offering like pretty pump and bass for an in-ear monitors. Usually in-ear monitors are pretty flat, and these are far from flat. The only thing that may be a downside is if you're like me and you're spoiled by Bluetooth and wireless, it's kind of hard to get used to having a wire again. But I want to thank Jeff again from eljefereviews for asking me to be on. It's an honor, and guys, enjoy the rest of the video.
Now, I 100% agree with what he's saying, and if you guys are interested in checking out Keith's channel, I'll leave a link to that right up here. Make sure you guys check that out. Now, yeah, the sound quality, the bass, it's all there. Everything you could want. You can have bassy music, whether it's hip hop or trap or whatever you want to listen to, without losing any of the highs. But these are really shine is when you're listening to rock or vocal music or even soul or Motown, stuff like that. And even when I hook them up to my small tube amp, yes, I have a small tube amp, everything really shines, especially with my old school Motown mixes. And I mean, it really comes to life. And for me, the sound quality, it's at least on par with some of the in-ear monitors that I've heard, from Shure and like the SE 915s and those, the sound quality is there. If you're a musician and you're looking for something like this, you're really going to enjoy them. Now, I'm not a musician. I'm not a sound engineer. My older brother is. He's a professional DJ, and he also does music production. I let him check them out. He says that these things really shine throughout the whole frequency. So, I take his word for it. I trust what he's telling me about them. And I think that, you guys will enjoy them if you're looking for a good set of in-ear monitors, for under 150 bucks. And then as far as comfort goes, these things sit in your ear. It's almost like they were meant to be there. They do come with an assortment of different tips, both, the silicone ones and stuff of different sizes. Those work well. I prefer memory foam. I swapped mine onto memory foam. They seem to sit in my ears a lot better, cause less ear fatigue over time. So if you guys are interested in memory foam ear tips, I'll leave a link to that in the description box down below. You guys can check them out. But those are the ones I prefer. Makes it much more comfortable for me. And, the sound is there, man. It's awesome. There's not much more I can say about that. Now, one thing that does take some getting used to is the fact that they are wired earphones. So, you do have to get accustomed to the fact that you're running that wire, and they can get tangled. That is something that you sort of have to deal with, but they do include a small little Velcro strap. So once you're done using them, you can roll them up, put the little strap around them, and call it a day. You don't have to worry about them getting tangled up on you. And they also included a little small pouch, so that's always a nice touch. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this review right here. Let me know what you guys think of the Ikko OH1s down in the comment section. You guys thinking about picking these up, or do you guys have some in-ear monitors that you guys are using right now that you enjoy? Let me know. Love hearing from you guys. And also, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys don't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. I know there's always one or two of you guys out there, and I don't want you feeling left out. And as always, if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, I hope it brought you guys some great value today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.